Hey, I'm Sandra with 2A Direct. Today I have a CLS1410 radio and we're going to clone it using a multi-unit charger. So first we'll have these turned on so we can see they're not currently talking to each other. Okay, 2A Direct, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're going to use this one as our source radio. So let's turn these back off and we're going to put them into programming mode. So you do that by holding the push to talk button and the monitor button at the same time, and then turning on the radio. And that noise will let you know that it is in programming mode. So we're going to do the same thing to this one. Push to talk, monitor button, and turn it on. So now with the multi-unit charger, this does not have to be plugged in, but it does have to be the Motorola original brand. So if the logo is facing you, you'll use the 5th port, and you'll put your source radio here in programming mode. Then you'll put your other radio that you want it to clone. And now you're going to hold down the monitor button. And that should have cloned your radio. So let's try it. To get it out of programming mode, hold down the push to talk button. So now it should work. 2A Direct, 1, 2, 3. 2A Direct, 1, 2, 3. This will work for the CLS1110 radio, the CLS1410 radio, and the VL50, all from Motorola. To check this out, visit our website at 2adirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.